I bought this water dispenser from Sam's Club a few years ago and it stopped dispensing cold water. I removed the top cover, completely disconnected it to make it easier to record. Then I slid this cover plate up and off. This coil is held on by two screws with rubber insulators. I slowly and carefully pulled it away to avoid damaging it. I cut the tape holding the foam insulation together and carefully wiggled it out. The reservoir tank can kind of move a little bit to make it easier to get the foam in and out. I removed some connectors from this circuit board to move the metal box out of the way. The hot water side worked fine, and if I turned off the cooling button, the cold water side would dispense, but it would be room temperature. I discovered this is a common problem where the thermistor fails and the cold water tank freezes over. The thermistor is covered by a small piece of foam tape and coated in thermal paste. It connects to this little circuit board on the front of the dispenser. I probably could have removed the thermistor wires without removing the circuit board, but it made it easier to record. I got the thermistor and thermal paste from Amazon. The plug on the new thermistor is different, so I saved the old connector and put it on the new one. I'm not sure it was worth the trouble of doing this. It might have been easier to cut the wires and solder them together, but it does make for a cleaner installation. Like an idiot, I put the wires through the wrong hole. I'm not totally sure this is the right thermistor, but it is what other people are using. The cold water works fine now, but it seems like it used to be colder with the original thermistor. Maybe a knowledgeable person can explain how to correctly select a thermistor can comment for us. Thanks and good luck, guys.